ngamba nkuaba imbi babiri no gamba nolondako omude nengatako mulana nolondako bwe kati kalinga kati nga kagenda kalanda paka tunasigazawo omu tugende azawe Zafaran
Simbukidde musanze
tugende
Nange, please don't go there.
Just in a game.
My people.
In a game. They've also been here. This is just a game. Guys, don't take this serious. As always, Zafaran.
According to what?
Just go ronda komu, omu navao, nengatako mlala, nono navao, boto tugende. As always, Zafaran.
Gwen nonda ya sigala.
Ya sigala. Zafaran Vinka. Zafaran Cindy. Zafaran Sheebah. Zafaran Spice. Zafaran Lydia Jasmine. Zafaran ya kuwachi. Zafaran waliwo muyimbi gwe wangamba omukyala go kyaliwo bana eri yali genze tugende kono Zafaran Chosen Becky. Zafaran Rema.
No, the list is long.
Zafaran Avapeace.
Zafaran all the way, you guys.
Zafaran must have a special place in your heart.
You should look out for Zafaran's music and, you know, support Zafaran.
I like what you've done. I'm pretty sure Zafaran ajachagala bambi.
She's a good girl.
Mumanyi nange. Your top 5. Your top 5 female artists in order. Gwe jemu goli wakabi. Kati njagala mpeyo abakusingira. Batanu mu order.
Sheebah.
Eyo number maker. Number 10. Number emu. Sheebah is number 1.
I actually miss her. Number 2. Ogambye mu order kuva ku 1.
Paka ku 5.
Sheebah. Okay. We have Sheebah.
Number 2.
Lydia Jasmine.
Number 3.
Number 3. My artist. Alcacita.
Number 4.
Avapeace.
Number 5. Obulayomu.
I think I'm pretty ambuzayo banji chokwa nambe.
Nagambe batanu. Sheebah, Lydia Jasmine, okusa tuwagambe Alcacita, okuna Avapeace.
By the way, I love Gloria Boogie.
So your top 5 artists.
Nchagenda kumukaaga.
Nagambe batanu.
The nature series that kubanga bannange game.
Genda paka ku 10.
Tunyongeddemu.
Genda paka ku
10. Spice Diana.
Ayo wa mukaaga,
Yeah.
Wo musanvu ani. Osoka ngamba akayimba ne mukujukiza.
Singa love yali nempeke. Aroma.
Number 7, aroma. Okay. Number 8.
Pretty banks.
Pretty banks, yes. Number 9. Number 9. Huh?
Tuli ku number chi?
Katuli tugenda ku number 9.
Who's bagambe female? I love Catalan candle.
Okay. Osigazaayo omu. Kati nze kankuwe list ababulayo gweronderemu. Waliwo omukyala bita Tracy Melon. Waliyo Binka, waliyo Azawi, waliyo Zafarani.
Banange, amannya ge twasoose okumentioninga mundeke bannange bannange omuntu mundeke.
So Tracy Melon number 10.
Yes, but the list is long.
Bebo kumi banaye, those are the top 10 artists of Fire Baby. Take a sip if you've ever practiced witchcraft.
Oyina ennaku zino abantu bagamba nti abayimbi tuli baloko. Nengamba ekiki mbeera bwenti neŋŋamba what are you talking about? Maybe you who is talking.
Togenda nga kumusawo obulamu bwo bwonna.
Nkwana kakati onkakasa otya nga gwe naawe oli mukasiisiro ogenda kukyusa otya embeera yange nga naawe oli mukasiisiro? You know, it doesn't make sense to me.
Take a sip. If you've ever, I repeat, ever beaten a guy nomukuba sirapu guy kwata yali akoze eki
abagaya bomupaaka bikwasa ku bubina
wakikuwa oluyi. When did you lose your virginity?
Bonna bano abali kuno bakitegeere.
Nange ombuuza ne bakitegeera nti na having a sex mu mmotoka kati kiwedde. Winnie gwe manyi teyeri antama wa mazima.
In my S6 vac.
I like this. I like this.